Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for hammer. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the main goal of this puzzle is to put the 4 hammers into this tray. All the hammers are identically sized, and they have nice 3D features to them. So we're going to start off by putting first one in the corner and have the claw touching the border. Handle in the corner, claw there, and we're just going to keep doing this. And then our last piece, which will be relatively tight. You have to put it in pretty much perfectly level, and it will just push in. The tolerances are extremely tight on this one. Like, this puzzle isn't falling apart. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.